Ja, weet je, als we zeggen op een machine. Het is als een machine, het is. Hai para. Namthatho nyobona inzana. Nalvanda. Yini abantu kuzoshathina. Ngiyoshathina mina. Mina ngiyoshathina la.
Satamaya.
Every day people die.
Yeah, you from where?
From Rustenburg.
Rustenburg? Yeah. Why am I showing you much? Are we funi machine there? Are we funi much? Eh? But you talk about Isbom? What is your name?
My surname?
Yeah.
Dikak.
Yeah.
Dikak.
Oh, Tikaki. Oh, from Rustenburg.
Yeah.
You were born from Rustenburg.
Yep.
Kabiame. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Sharp.
You are smelling, you are taking our jobs.
No.
So please, tomorrow we must work and go.
I paid my brother. For me, I have no problem.
You paid? You have papers?
No, I have no problem for me. I'm paid you. Thank you very much.
If we are moving from shit up,
Sorry?
How are you? Who are you?
Sorry?
Who are you?
Ismail.
Ismail. You're from where?
Sierra Leone.
Sierra Leone.
Yeah.
So you have everything. Huh?
Yeah. So for me, I have no problem, my brother.
Hey, bayahlekisa labantu. Ubuye Sierra Leone, but he can't pronounce the name of his own country. The one of Rustenburg is even worse because even his surname yakhe, he had to think first. Because he once stayed in Rustenburg. He's thinking about the surname ake ayizwa eRustenburg. And again, Kings also wavela wavumela ukuthi okay, it's fine. Yes, it's hard to believe ukuthi yibo laba abadelela kanje kubo TikTok. Laba asebephenduka izinkukhu kanje. It's very hard to believe, really. But these people have been waiting for this day for years, challenging us on TikTok, telling us how brave they are. They've been asking for it for years. So the day is here now, abasafuni. Where are the giants? Aphi vela ama-giants? I thought they are waiting because this match was announced like some weeks ago. I thought they are prepared, they are ready for it. I wonder ukuthi bazothini manje ku-TikTok. Basazophinde befuna ukuthi kuqalwe futhi. Or they will arrange their own day. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Thank you so much guys for your support. I'm very grateful. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much guys. I love you so much. Bye.